In this video, I'll show you how to write knowledge base articles using AI Assist in tawk.to. AI Assist is a paid add-on that brings AI-powered writing tools directly into your workspace. You can brainstorm article ideas, expand content, change tone, fix grammar, and even structure your entire article by using the AI task command. Before you start, make sure AI Assist is activated for your property. Go to your AI agent settings. Under the Channels section, make sure the knowledge base toggle is turned on. Then scroll down and switch on AI commands. Once both settings are enabled, you're ready to use AI Assist inside your articles. To begin, open the knowledge base and create an article. Then select the paragraph block and type /AI. If you want to create an article, just select AI Write About. Change the prompt from a paragraph to an article. Enter your topic and press Enter. AI Assist will generate an article based on the topic you entered. Click Done to add the result to your article. Click Continue Writing to expand on the response. Click Retry for a new set of ideas, or click Discard to remove the command. When you're finished writing, you have two options. Click Publish to set the article live, or click Save Draft to come back and finish later. And that's it. With AI Assist, writing and editing knowledge base articles becomes faster, clearer, and easier, so you can focus on sharing useful answers with your customers. For more tutorials, visit the tawk.to Academy or book a session with our customer support team.